I don't curse people about their homes. I don't curse people about their homes. I wasn't expecting this, and this is what you did to me at that. If I did ever cry cute, I would have cried alive a while ago.
My lord.
Yeah.
You need two
My lord,
more because you said you need part of it.
You can stop disturb me, please, police officer, sir. Please and thank you.
Your Honor,
Just
that's
stop
supposed to be.
Shibada, you got about 8 already, or 9 not guilty. I'm guilty. Oh.
I say big up RT boss. He's cool. He's cool. I find him interesting.
Okay. RT loves you.
Oh, send him love as also. Send him love.
Yes, thank you, bossy. Brit, I love the colors for shoot. Lavender, my favorite color.
Man, my face sweating.
Thank you, thanks everybody. Thank you guys so much. Y'all hear me? Lavender, my favorite color. She mute me?
No, I don't mute you.
Okay.
You like purple. It's purple.
Yes, my love it.
Lavender is the lighter.
So
Thank you.
You're in the tournament. You heard about the tournament?
I heard about it, but I'm not in the tournament. Are you in it?
Who say you're not in the tournament? I thought Roger is your partner.
No, Roger said he gonna go with Otto instead.
Yeah?
He told me yesterday on live, so I say, alright, cool.
He's trying to build back the unity. You think that can build back? What you think?
I think unity is strength and it's a good move. I support the move.
Me too. That's why I tell him, okay. Because I really didn't, I don't know. But I said, all right, whatever. Because guess what? Maybe we can move mountains by everybody getting back together.
It's worth a try.
Let's see.
Yeah. Let us So how's the day going, Queen Bling? And thanks for accepting the match.
I'm not having a good day, Brit, but that doesn't mean I must take it out on the people them. So I just came here for an hour and then I'm gonna go do somebody's hair when I'm finished.
Oh, you do here?
Thank you, Marcy. Thank you, everybody. Yes, I'm a beautician. Jesus.
Oh, I didn't know that. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. So I guess when I come to New York, I could come at your shop and get my boot up.
So this is a good look. I didn't know you have a team that photograph, that take videos of you and stuff. I need one too.
Yeah, we always do it on photo shoots.
Maybe when I come back to Jamaica, RT Boss.
Look at RT over there trying to catch up.
That's what he's doing. You know what I tell RT, Brit? I tell him to stop shoot for me.
Oh, why are you telling that?
Because I want to see who's really with me. Because RT don't like when things not going good for me.
Oh, well, I hope things goes good soon. And once you have life, you have everything.
Thank you. Maybe the next time I come to Jamaica, Brit, we can do photo shoot together and girl stuff.
Yeah, sure thing.
All right.
All right, I'm gonna go now. Thanks very much.
All right.
Everybody that gifts and stuff.
All right, thanks.
All right, see you later, Queen of TikTok.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you know what? Sometimes, like, it depends. Oh, I set the camera. Yeah, like, now my face look makeup go nice. Alright, let's do some more shoots, guys. Let's do some more shoots. Alright. We're gonna play some music. What you guys think? Alright, let's get it now. You know, these, usually like when I go to shoot, this is kind of one of my favorite poses. Guys, what song should I put on YouTube? No. or on TikTok. Which song you guys recommend? Love the Top. Billie Jean, alright. Billie Jean. Damn. Who do you like?
I bet you say I'm gonna make you cry. I'm gonna make you cry, big sour bitch. I'm gonna make your blood clot cry. I'm gonna make your mama come creep you up front me, bro. Me say when me done kicking in your mouth with them clocks, yeah. You think they don't think it, and you thinking more they go tapping. You come, you have me cheer front me. You go like you're a bad man. Alright, dog, me go shoot up your party, me boy. And now make you sell one buckle. As me come out there, me bust gunshot and make police come and lock off that bumbo clot. Big stinking boy. Every day, you don't know furniture in your blood clot house. So you have to go take from your blood clot, cheer them. You put in your echo blood clot house. Big fat sour thing near my body, boy. Yo, dog, let me tell you, yo, bro. Yo, dog. Dan, hold it, Dan. Cause you know want them throw you off of this. You know want them throw you off of this, bro. You see me, I say, you rub me wanna shit them in my face, pussy, and I come go on like I say, you feel like a piece and safety this, bro. Me I go fuck you up, dog. Big man thing, dog. Because a stir you come to stir me up with your sour big neighbor thinking self. You know the blood clot there, yeah. You look a swine. Big stinking boy. Yo, me hurt, dog. My back kill me. Yo. Jesus Christ. Shut your mouth, sour boy! Me know why you're done fry your big sour bumbo clot! Get up off of my blood clot!
Somebody shoot a money gun for me, please.
Nobody not send it no money gun, bro! Everybody can send me money gun. I mean I get abused.
Somebody send me a money gun. Send me a money. I need, listen, this germs here, come on, everybody stinking self. We need one of the game and cheer them. More when I game and cheer them, the black and red, the black and blue, and the black and white one them. So we can load that germs cheer. Somebody send me a money gun, please. And Dan, me dare if you take off your right foot off your right class right now. If you're bad, take off your right class right now and show it. You can't take off your class.
Right now, big pussy boy, right now. Right now. Which one you say me know me left or me right?
If I want them forever.
No pussy! None!
Jesus Christ! Dan!
You see that? Look how in my clocks clean! Look how in my clocks
Dan,
clean, pussy boy!
I'm a that Dan, Miami, you really...
No, watch!
Dan?
You know watch this big sour boy, hear that?
Dan, you really... That's supposed to think!
Who the door makes it quite
Dan, that's supposed to think!
About 9 people over there, dog. About 9 people. Who the show up? Blood clot. Me need to come over here more. Great! Yeah, that's more like it. Show them big sour stinking boy. Stop cause size up with me, bumbo hole boy. Stop size up with me. Love you, love you. The sun will come out tomorrow, you big fat sour.
What is disrespect? What is disrespect?
Clot him! Who no shot him? Who no shot him in a... You talk about me one big island man for fuck me? Shot him in a mouth! Everybody who no shot him in a bumbo clot mouth! You think and that you can't... And where you get the highly man there? Me no... Brother...
Voila, yeah. One check me, voila, yeah. What you telling people? Wait, stop.
What?
Stop, can you check me?
What?
Yeah, check me now.
But
no, what for telling people them to do?
I want with you. Me no know bro.
What for telling people them to do?
Everybody, who no catch it $2,000. Catch it $2,000. $2,500. Everybody, catch it now. How them did?
Yo, the people that yo.
Shot him.
Me don't know what to tell them.
You stress out, my friend. You stress out. Me see.
Yeah. Alright, me get rose, something else. Give me something. Rose, yeah. Give me something else.
Me no know what I got up. Me no know what I got up.
Money gun, you want money gun?
Thank you. Me no know. He gone.
Something, yeah, man. Fight back, no man. We can't be stranded. Make the whole germs I feel like say.
We are big.
Like I said. I don't want to think. Me don't want to thinking for people.
Right. I didn't three money gun open that. I three money gun. So me couldn't tell me if you ask me that. Me no know what the fuck going on, care. Me don't know what go. Yo, we need to get a hang of that game.
Don't not invite me where you are.
Oh, me look hungry. For real, you know, Junior. That's why me make sure I go buy some food a while ago. Me go buy some, you know, some Spanish food. But that's how it go, Junior. Big pussy, Junior. At least me have money for feed. Well, I know, so good, Junior. At least me have money for go buy food for eat. You hear that? They all like man, them are fucking in your mouth, Junior. You don't realize that you still can't buy something for eat. Eh? Your mouth does smell like discharge for no reason. Thank you, everybody. Big pussy boy. You know, see food?
Send me some.
Every minute to the walk on top about people, baby.
A few moments later.
My lord.
Yeah.
You need two
My lord,
because he said he was part of it.
You can stop disturb me, please, police officer, sir. Please and thank you.
Your Honor,
Just
that's
stop
supposed to
disturbing
be
me.
involved because she
Just
claimed that
mute
she's
the
not
mic, sir.
supposed to court.
What you said, Governor, ma'am?
That's supposed to be involved because she says she's not a part of the court. So that means you need two more persons that is a part of the court. You cannot
No,
be a...
man, I'm going to let it go. I'm not taking it from her. She said not guilty already. She can be enough and face the jury. We're not going to take that from her. She already come and she get the not guilty.
Okay,
So we need one more person. Them can't win. So we not look for you. Them can't win. Shibada, you got about 8 already or 9 not guilty. I'm guilty. Oh. I don't know why the people let me scared for come up, come angle and bang the accused.
Your Honor, Your Honor.
My lord. One of my case, my lord. I tell you about, I got up at the operation, my lord, and I hold my came for the central and charge him, my lord. One of my case.
Mute
After
na,
that case,
sir.
my lord.
Officer, sir, mute na please and thanks. Just mute. Thank you. Just blood clot mute. Yeah, because all you tell us to mute when we deal with the case I wrapped up. And 2 more cases, we have to try again, you know.
Guilty on all count.
And all count, hold on, no. It just a turn and back. It did a while ago. Jury plea. 1 more guilty we need. Area. 1 more jury we need. So, how the lady there? The woman said guilty and gone. We not take that. Come, somebody else come up. You not even see and do something right. I saw you behave.
With all the information presented, guilty on all count, because if you can find money to buy a vehicle, you could have sacrificed something to give your mom.
Thank you so much, ma'am. All right. We are going to step out the courtroom for a minute. We'll be back in a bit. 1 minute. All rise.
Thank you for the win. Thank you for Rosalie. Thank you very much for Rosalie. Yeah, thank you. A holy for Rosalie, I get this morning. Holy for Rosalie. Somebody said this in a trial. Hey, me eat them people. I'm tired. Things are falling. You ask me if I'm still acting, you miss my acting. Let me tell you something. I miss your money to all and you broke. You broke as long as though I not see you, you not see me. Yeah. I know so the whole of on upon this happy that Dubai I wash out. Let me tell you something, drunk or forever young. Don't berate yourself with me yard. You notice I don't come on the internet and I don't say nothing about me yard because I'm very embarrassed. Did you know that it was just yesterday I was cussing Rosalie about the sky falling down in her bedroom? And let me, forever young, move your dirty nasty. I try to avoid that. I try to avoid that subject. But when you're a child and you brought that up, I'm alive. I don't curse people about their homes. I don't curse people about their homes. I wasn't expecting this, and this is what you did to me at that. If I did ever cry cute, I would have cried alive a while ago. Oh God, this is cheese crying. I cry like cheese a while ago, my mouth go over here, so you know. My mouth, oh my God. No, I cry like cheese a while ago. Cheesy blasting with a lean man. No man, no joke. Shibby, a youth choir leader. I wish. Any old brother Taylor did make me youth choir leader, I take for the keyboard from him after him tell me that. Take it where?